Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start immediately. Open Microsoft Edge and load the page you need to inspect. Make sure extensions that alter UI are disabled for clarity. Now press F12 for the fastest route, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I if you prefer a standard developer shortcut. If you like menus, click the three-dot menu, right arrow More Tools, right arrow Developer Tools. Once done, the DevTools panel appears docked. Make sure the tab focus is on Elements to begin examining DOM and styles. Once the panel is open, you'll move through the interface. Click Elements to inspect HTML and CSS, or press ESC to reveal the console drawer for logs. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus M to toggle device emulation and test different screen sizes. This simulates touch and network throttling. For debugging scripts, open sources and press Ctrl plus P to jump to files, then set breakpoints. Make sure to use network to replay requests and see timing. This helps you understand why a resource is slow or failing. To finish, position developer tools where it helps you work. Dock to right, bottom, or undock into a separate window. If changes don't appear, enable Disable Cache in Network while DevTools is open and hard reload the page. If something breaks unexpectedly, disable browser extensions or reopen the page in private to isolate the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: if DevTools won't open, restart Edge and check for system policies blocking developer features. Rebooting often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.